Whenever you are handling factorization, don't forget our procedure is always start from the easiest one. The easiest one is finding common factor, extracting common factor. The second one is in case that we can't find common factor, then we may consider is that some identity format, like a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b bracket square. Whenever we can write in this format, then we can change it to right hand side format. This is called factorization. The last one, if we can't solve it by this, we still can't find this format, then we have to use the last resort, which is the cross method. So we look here, we have x power 3, the second term we have x squared, and also the last term we have x squared. So at most we can get x squared to x2 times from each term. So therefore I extract common factor. What left inside the bracket will be x power 3 taking out 2, so x power 1 is left. X power 2 taken out, so only positive y is left. Finally, x squared is taken out from the last term, so negative 7 is left. And then we check here, what inside the bracket can we further factorize? It is x power 1, y power 1, and no other common factor. So we can't further factorize it, and it's considered as our answer in part A. In part B, everyone realized that the first three terms are exactly the same as part A. So the first three terms we just replace by our answer here. And then another three terms, just consider it is another group, and then we handle it independently later. So this part just replaced by our answer. After that, we compare with what we want and what we have. We prefer positive x, however, it starts from negative x. So we are going to extract negative sign. That means extract negative 1. The first term, x divided by negative 1, we have positive x. Negative y divided by negative 1, we get positive y. And finally, positive 7 divided by negative 1 is give us negative 7. Now we look at two terms. This is the first term, and also we have the second term here. We keep looking for any common factor. X squared and number, so it's not common factor. But this bracket, is obvious that this bracket are exactly the same. Once it is exactly the same, then you can extract your common factor. My habit, I will put the common factor in left hand side. And then I will write down what is left below. In the first term, this bracket is taken out, x squared is left. So I write down x squared vertically below. From the second term, we extract the bracket, only negative 1 is left. So if we tidy up, we usually write in this way. And before you finish, check once again. In this bracket, can you factorize it? Oh, we can't. But in this bracket, we still find x squared. So we may factorize it. And be more sensitive to 1. 1, that means 1 square. So basically, it is the identity format. It's something square minus something square. So the second bracket can be further factorized. Something plus something, something minus something. The first item is x, while the second item is 1. And we just copy down the another factor here. So that's how we call finish the question. The requirement of factorize, that means you have to factorize it until you can't further factorize. So no common factor, power of 1. No common factor, power of 1. No common factor, power of 1. Then you confirm this is the simplest form. And we finish the question.